So this is our second video for week 4 for ITCE. Please go to DC Connect and open up this assignment on your screen. What we're going to do in today's class, I want you to walk through this assignment and learn how to do each of the things that are required. There's 6 steps, 6 things you have to do for this assignment. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to conduct some research and find somebody to interview at a company for your informational interview. So one way you could conduct research to find somebody to interview is think about the people that you met in week 1, your classmates. Maybe they know somebody that works in IT, or look on your network of people in LinkedIn. So that would be kind of like a warm call. You know somebody who works in IT. So you'll notice on the assignment that I do not want you interviewing somebody that you already know, like a friend or a family member, because the goal here is to expand your IT network. Another way you can find somebody to interview is to do some research using some tools like Indeed or LinkedIn or Scott's Directory. And it's going to depend on what you want to find out at your informational interview, how you do your research. So if you want to look for a specific job title, you might use LinkedIn to search specific job titles. But if you want to know what it's like to work in a specific industry, or what it's like to work at a specific business that delivers some kind of IT service, then you might want to use Scott's Directory. So Scott's Directory, the one I'm talking about, is a business directory that you have access to because you're a Durham College student. Okay, and when you access this directory, you'll be able to execute a search to find businesses in a specific town that have a specific number of employees that deliver a specific service. And it's a little bit not 100% intuitive necessarily how to use it. So you're IT people, so don't do the easy way out and Google things. Learn how to use this directory. I know you're not afraid of learning how to use something, a new tool, a new application, a new piece of software. So click on these links, and I've made you 1-minute videos that walk you through how to use Scott's Directory to identify somebody to interview for your informational interview. But there are other ways that you can conduct research. You can use LinkedIn and search, and again, you can search a job title, or you could search for a specific business in here to find out the name of somebody that you could call or an email that you can contact. You can also go to a place like Indeed, and sometimes when you put in a company name, they'll have reviews, so you can find out a little bit about a company. Okay, so what I want you to do this week is identify 3 or 4 potential businesses or individuals to contact to request an informational interview, because that's step 1 of the assignment. So that wraps up video 2 for this week.